Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Cooking for Special Occasions. Special occasions and holidays are often celebrated with unique and traditional dishes that reflect the culture, history, and flavors of a region. These meals not only bring families and communities together, but also preserve culinary heritage and create cherished memories. Let's explore some of the traditional dishes made for special holidays around the world, culminating in a classic recipe for a traditional Christmas meal in the UK. Thanksgiving in the United States. Thanksgiving is synonymous with a lavish feast in the United States. The centerpiece of the meal is a roast turkey, often accompanied by stuffing, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. This holiday, celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November, commemorates the Harvest Festival held by the Pilgrims in 1621. Lunar New Year in China. The Lunar New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is the most significant holiday in China. Celebrations are marked by an array of symbolic food. Dumplings are shaped like ancient Chinese money and symbolize wealth. The pronunciation of fish in Chinese sounds like surplus and is eaten as it signifies abundance. A gluttonous rice cake is also eaten as it represents progress and growth. Diwali in India. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is a major Hindu festival celebrated with great fervor across India. The festival involves lighting oil lamps, bursting fireworks, and enjoying a variety of sweet and savory dishes. Popular treats include laddus, described as perhaps the most universal and ancient of Indian sweets. Barfis, a milk-based sweet with a fudge-like consistency. And jalebis, a fermented batter that is then fried and soaked in flavored sugar, while savory snacks like samosas are also enjoyed. The festival of breaking the fast marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting for Muslims. The holiday is celebrated with a feast that includes a variety of dishes, such as biryani and kebabs, and sweet treats like baklava and date-filled cookies. Each region has its own specialities that highlight local ingredients and cooking styles. Christmas in the United Kingdom. Christmas in the UK is a time of family gatherings and sumptuous feasts. The traditional Christmas meal is highlighting Christmas meal is a highlight of the holiday season, featuring a roast turkey with all the trimmings, including stuffing, roast potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and gravy. The meal is often followed by a rich dessert, like Christmas pudding or minced pies. If you want to try your own traditional Christmas meal with roast turkey and all the trimmings, check out the recipe on the written version of this post. The link is in the description. Cooking for special occasions is a delightful way to honor traditions and bring people together. Whether it's a Thanksgiving feast, a spring festival celebration, or a Christmas dinner, these meals are imbued with cultural significance and love. As you try out these dishes, remember the true essence of these celebrations lies in the joy of sharing and creating lasting memories with your loved ones. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.